This is Nkokhelo Blose, our charmer boy. Angel Sebezo uneminyaka ewu-23. She was diagnosed with the stage 2 lung cancer.
Steps leading to nowhere but the door without looking back. Oh, at times, I fetch that hanging rope with hopes of seeing someone hanging me because I'm too much of a coward to do that. At times, I'm my mother's voice when she said your peers are very far and you're out here telling me about passion. At times, I'm you and we are cruising in the same boat of dilemma. Praying the water turns into wine instead of whining about our financial debacle. At times we dance. We dance next to our tears till they join our sweat and together we have fun for a night. Forgetting all this world is revealing and for that moment we are alive and happy. At times I want to give up my pen for a penny but the ink is swallowed by my soul, for even when the pen fails the ink pays tribute to my pain. At times I'm broken and my heart is the only thing that's left. I'm still fixing all my cracks. How do I carry myself home when the only home I knew was with you?
Siyazi ukuthi uyathanda ukuba wedwa, but I think it's gonna be good for you.
Baba, not this again. Mina bengithi sikhulumile ukuthi we won't bring up this cancelling thing again. Futhi nodokotela bakubeke kwacaca ukuthi ayikho into izoshintsha situation yami.
Asikhulume counseling lana.
Senginikhuluma ngani?
Group therapy. I think uzoyijabulela. I think futhi kuzoba mnandi man, you must just go out, have fun, meet abantu abasha instead of just sitting around la endlini, especially now they're outside esikoleni.
Baba ngiyacela ukhuzuma ukuthi ayiyeke yonke lento. Mina ngi-right ngokuzihlalela la endlini. Ukwenza kwamabangana abasha angeke kuze kuvimba ukufa. Oh you guys niyasaba ukuthi akekho umuntu ozoze engcwabeni wami basengishonile. Anginankinga mina nalokho.
Sithandwa sami. Ngicabanga ukuthi umama wakho ubeka iphuzu elibalekile futhi elimqoka. Wena udinga uthatha isikhathi, thola isikhathi, nikhiphe nabangani bakho, nihambe nobukela noma ama movie, nihambe niyobhukuda. Kuthiwa kuyabhukudwa nale ku Ellis Park, uzoba right ngelosi yami.
Kuyongisiza kanjani mina baba lokho? Or am I going to be immune to cancer after talking to someone on a cancer? Baba lesifo lesi asinandaba ukuthi ngihleli la endlini or ngi-attend therapy somewhere. It will continue to eat my lungs up until the end. Or you guys want us to discuss how much of a failure we are and that cancer has defeated us. Unokuthi sizofa. Asikho isidingo sokuthi nizikhathaze ngami. I've been taking care of myself for the past 10 years.
Cha mntana, sinoba bakho right. Inkinga sikhathazekile ngawe.
Nama ngikhathazekile ngani? Look at how cold our home has become. Asabukela ama-movie ndawonye, asapheki ndawonye. Ukhe waphuma wabheka la ngaphandle ukuthi ingadi igcwele kanjani utshani. As if I'm the only one that's dying. Ngapha nothando lweni liyazishonela nje. Anshoni, when was the last time you guys made love, huh?
Mama Shani. Nayi ngane khulumisa ka.
Ase usho ke sis, uzoya group therapy noma ngoba senzela wena lana.
Guys, I really appreciate the fact that you're doing this for me. Kodwa cha, unfortunately angikho interested mina.
Here is a gathering of young people and adults who have gathered about different problems that they are facing so they can be able to carry on with their lives without the burdens. Therefore, they need counseling.
Sanibonani. Siyabonga. I'm an intraocular melanoma cancer survivor. I'm suffering from load shedding.
Sanibonani. Igama lami uSanele. I have a testicular cancer. I'm currently on stage 2, fighting my way back to stage 1.
Igama lami ngumthandeka. Ngadla kulo baba umsana.
akukho kutheni.
Angazi why ngila kule ndawo. Ngifisa sengathi abazali bami bakhona la so that bazochaza ukuthi ngibekwa yini mina la.
Why ucabanga ukuthi wena awudeserve ukuthi ube la phakathi kwethu mangathiwa ngiyabuza nje?
Ngoba i-situation yami nokuba khona kwami la kule ndawo angiboni ukuthi ukuba khona kwami la ngingasizakala.
And what's your situation?
I was diagnosed with stage 3 in lung cancer. As bengihlezi ngicabanga ukuthi abantu ababhemayo yibona ababa ne-lung cancer. And yet there I was at the age of 15, gasping pain directly in my chest. Ngaleso sikhathi akukaze ngawuthinta ukwayo. I tried to protest until I realized that fighting was worthless because with every breath I take, bekade ngiphelelwa umoya. The uncontrolled growth of abnormal cell that started in one or both lungs in the air passage. That's what the doctor said. The TC scans and the sputum cytology results came back. Ngathi mangizwa the word cancer, I saw my life flashing through my eyes. With no further questions, I was plugged in, machines sedated, undergoing segmental resection. Ngathi mangivuka, kavuka nabangani ababili engabazi. My oxygen tank and the one that chose my chest is Kyla Kalish. All I could ever think of was the life that I was going to have when I finally take my last breath to a place where there's freedom, to a place where there's no worries or pain. And 8 years later, I finally realized that cancer is the most incisive and ugliest creature that was just looking for a beautiful face. So it picked me. It's a silent killer. And I'm a silent survivor.
Angel.
Hi,
Hi.
Angel, right?
Yeah.
Nakalibitso ke Nkokelo.
Hello.
Nice to meet you. Wa tsa ke ne ke iputsisa hore mabaka hao a today a eme jwang.
Nix, why?
I would have loved to actually take you out on a date. Hi Bunny Angel, hana di plan, hi it's next. It would have been nice.
Uguti.
Hanyane fela. Ke ne nka rata fela hore botle ba hao bo phunyelletsa ka nqane ho kgalefo ya hao. Can we go out on a date?
Namhlanje angizizwa kahle. Kodwa ngelinye ilanga.
Can we at least go for a drive?
Okay, ngibona.
Sure. Let's go.
Tell me of a broken dream whose efforts have exhausted all means.